you know that red chili peppers have a component called capsaicin, which speeds up your metabolism, so it helps you lose weight. They are also chock full of vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant, so they're great for preventing chronic diseases like heart disease, for example, and it supports your immune system. They reduce inflammation. They promote heart health. They're very high in potassium, which regulates your blood pressure. And they also prevent blood clots from forming. The recipe for this will be underneath the video in the description box. If you are not used to handling chilies, please wear gloves. So we're going to ferment these with some sugar and salt. And the reason we add sugar to this is because the sugar feeds the bacteria, and the bacteria turns that into lactic acid, which preserves them. Okay? I have some green ones, which I'm going to go ahead and add. This is going in a dark, cool place for 3 to 5 days. In 3 days, we're going to check it and see if it already has bubbles, and we'll take care of it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of bubbles here. This has been fermenting for 2 weeks. When I started seeing bubbles, I started burping the jar every day. So I would just uncover it and then cover it and just shaking the chilies in there, okay? You can stir if you want, but these are ready now for us to finish our recipe. So I'm going to just put it all inside my blender. I'm gonna add half a cup of distilled vinegar to this. I'm gonna clean the jar with it. And I'm going to blend it. Now we're gonna strain this. Make sure to press well. We want all the liquid, okay? We're just gonna get rid of the seeds and things that didn't blend. Go ahead and discard all the solids, okay? I'm gonna now cook this on low heat for about 10 minutes until it thickens, okay? This took less than 10 minutes, by the way, but it is where I want it. I did stir this constantly because it was splattering, okay? So now I'm gonna just let this cool down completely so that we can bottle it and taste it. I love it when a plan comes together. I saved every single jar on the island, take off the labels, and look at that. Fits perfectly in a jar that had soy sauce, I think, in it, but beautiful. This bottle is going to last in the refrigerator for about 6 months. I have a little bit left over in here, which I'm gonna eat now. Wow. Woo! That is spicy. Oh, but it's beautiful. It's tangy from the fermentation, has a little sweetness, and you know, very garlicky. Oh, it is a great sauce. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.